My name is Davis Green. I am a production specialist with SNA Displays, and we are here at LA Live, right across from the Crypto.com arena. Anywhere you go at LA Live, there is SNA LED. Several years ago now, we installed 10 Empire exterior LED displays across the property, as well as our accent lighting on the 6 towers in the main plaza. Right now, we're breaking ground on 4 new towers, 2 on each side of Chickering Court. As usual, the SNA team is involved in every step of the process. Our project manager, Rasul Saeed, is on site today overseeing the beginning of the tower install.
My name is Rasul Saeed, and I'm a project manager with SNA Displays. Today I'm on site so that we can see the amount of space and footprint that's been taken up for each delivery of a single tower to make sure that the structural install goes smoothly and we have what we need to get our portion of the install completed. It's important for us to be on site during these stages so that we can make sure that we have a flawless and smooth install as early as the first day that we show up on site. We will have 2 LED displays on each tower at 4mm pitch, 7,000 nits at about 13 feet wide by 23 feet tall. We're looking forward to a successful completion of this massive expansion alongside the LA Live team and other vendors on site here.
These towers have an awesome design, and they're going to be a commanding presence here at LA Live. At SNA, we're very excited to see everything done and lit up and delivering captivating content to the downtown area.